Can you believe it? Deep inside this dense forest, a giant passenger aircraft sat abandoned for years. Its body was covered in rust. Trees and moss slowly claimed what was once a magnificent machine. Most people looked at it and saw nothing more than scrap metal. But one ambitious team saw something completely different. They saw the foundation of a breathtaking luxury villa. And today, you're about to witness one of the most incredible transformations ever imagined. Before any construction could begin, experts carefully inspected every section of the aircraft. The damage was extensive. Corrosion had spread across the fuselage. Large portions of the interior were no longer usable. But despite years of neglect, the aircraft's main structure remained surprisingly strong. Architects and engineers developed a bold renovation plan. Their mission was simple: preserve the aircraft's iconic shape while turning it into a modern luxury retreat. The first major task was cleaning. Workers removed thick layers of moss, date, and vegetation that had accumulated over the years. Every surface had to be carefully restored. Power tools, industrial brushes, and specialized cleaning equipment worked around the clock. Slowly, the original aircraft began to reappear beneath the years of decay. What once looked like a forgotten wreck was finally showing signs of life again. And this was only the beginning. Next came the most challenging phase. The team reinforced damaged sections of the aircraft. Old metal panels were replaced. Weak areas were strengthened. Large openings were created to make room for future living spaces. At the same time, workers installed new support structures to ensure long-term stability. The transformation was becoming more visible every day. The aircraft was no longer being repaired. It was being reborn. With the structural work complete, attention shifted to the exterior. The entire aircraft received a fresh modern finish. Large panoramic windows were added throughout the fuselage. These windows would eventually provide stunning views of the surrounding forest. The once dark and damaged body now looked sleek and elegant. The contrast was unbelievable. Just months earlier, this aircraft looked beyond saving. Now it was beginning to resemble a luxury destination. Inside the aircraft, the transformation became even more dramatic. The former passenger cabin was converted into a spacious living area. Premium flooring replaced the damaged surfaces. Modern furniture was carefully selected to maximize both comfort and style. Soft lighting created a warm atmosphere throughout the villa. The design team blended luxury with the unique character of the aircraft. Every detail was chosen to create a truly unforgettable experience. The renovation didn't stop there. Elegant bedrooms were added. A modern kitchen was installed. Luxury bathrooms brought five-star hotel comfort into the heart of the forest. Even the cockpit received a remarkable upgrade. Instead of controlling flights, it now served as an exclusive observation lounge. Guests could relax while enjoying panoramic views of nature. Every section of the aircraft was given a new purpose. After months of planning, construction, and dedication, the project was finally complete. The abandoned aircraft had been transformed into a stunning luxury villa hidden deep within the wilderness. What was once forgotten had become extraordinary. A perfect combination of engineering, creativity, and imagination. This incredible project proves that with enough vision, even the most unlikely structures can be given a second life. So, here's the question. Would you spend a weekend inside this amazing airplane villa? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment, and share.